do first my sister Gladys's Mother's Day basket. And then my nieces, Eternity. I wish I had both the same side, but I don't. I already put some of the, what do they call, gift shred. Some of it is a little purple, I don't even know. Oh, it's pink. It's a little different. She has pineapple passion fruit, watermelon frosé, raspberry kiwi splash, coconut milk. This is from my sister Gladys, and this is for my niece, Eternity. She's a first-time mom. She had her beautiful, beautiful boy, my nephew, in April 1st. So I got her this with vanilla confetti, birthday cake, and salted caramel. It's a little fat. What do you think?